In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get first character from the number in Excel. To begin, open the Excel workbook where you want to extract the first character from a number. Once your file is open, make sure your sample data is ready. In this example, the numbers are placed in cells A1 through A4. Having your data arranged clearly like this makes it easier to follow the formula and copy it down later. Next, we'll create a column for the result. Click on cell B1 and type first character. This will serve as your header so you can easily identify what the formula is returning. Now click on cell B2. This is where you'll enter the formula, type an equal sign, then type left, followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, enter A2, then a comma, then the number 1, and finally a closing parenthesis. The complete formula should read as left open parenthesis A2, comma, 1, close parenthesis, with an equal sign at the beginning. This formula works because the left function returns characters from the beginning or left side of the value in the referenced cell. Even if the source is a number, Excel can still return the first character from it using this function. If you want to adjust the result, you can easily modify the formula. For example, if you want the first two characters instead of just 1, replace the 1 with a 2. If you need the first 3 characters, replace it with 3. And if your number is located in a different cell, simply replace A2 with the correct cell reference. These small changes make the formula flexible and useful for many situations. Once the formula is entered, press enter. Excel will return the first character from the number in cell A2. In this example, the result is 1. After confirming the result looks correct, you can apply the same formula to the rest of your data. Select cell B2 again, then move your cursor to the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag it downward until you reach cell B4. Excel will automatically copy the formula to the remaining rows and adjust the cell references for you. That's all there is to it. You've now used the left function to get the first character from numbers in Excel, and you can repeat the same method anytime you need to extract characters from the start of a value.